When you're good, you're good.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
May I represent for one Media Fox.
Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
One Media Fox money up, you know. Yeah, man. You know what things say. People, remember, we'll get a tickets in Miami show, cause you see that Gyal good song, yeah. I want a dancehall anthem. May I tell you, it represent Jamaica, the beat, everything. You understand? But me have a clip to show you people. You know, I say, yo, that youth are getting in trouble, you know. Imagine the youth are carrying mother, go somewhere, and in phone go connect to the radio. See? And hear the song we are going to play.
Ready now. Pussy.
Yo, Alkaline, shake up the people over there, brother. Yo, you can't listen to that song there in public, bro. Me I tell you. Whereas if you have that song there for your ringing tone, a problem. Yo. Yo, dog, man, tell you, brother. Yo, Alkaline easy, brother. Yo, man, interest song, brother. Like, it's crazy, bro. I want a toughest intro me ever see. John, no, brother. Me I tell you. Yo, I tell you, you know. Yeah, man. I tell you, say the whitey them, they not play with the Alkaline song, you know. I tell the people, I tell you, say, yo, imagine you set out Alkaline song for your ringing tone with the intro. To the problem. But listen what I go on.
Pussy.
Yo, brother, you can't tell the summer forward, you know. You can't tell the girl them say them no good. Me I tell you that. Cause one song them I go play and prove it wrong. Me I tell you, the girl them out. But listen what you say.
Hi babe. Now let me show you how you can put your favorite song as your ringtone. It's super easy. So all you gotta do is just download the song that you wanna use as your ringtone, go to Cliptone and upload it there. And then you pick a name for the ringtone so that you know which one it is. Then you go to more and use as ringtone and then you have it there.
Pussy.
Yo, me hear some people are talking to me then and they must say, yo, this here song and this here song and I compare. Me tell you, we in a one different world, you know, brother. That me I tell you, we in a one different world. But wait till that song reach in the arena in Miami, New Rules, Reggae Fest. And wait till Alkaline reach down a Guyana. And that song got drop. The whole internet a blow up, me I tell you that. Una go see what go on, cause Guyana people them a wait. Make them a wait. Yeah, man.
Wine girl then. You say every song.
So look at now, Pink Purge run out cause in artist drop song. But you know if Cartel drop some song from where they were, them not too like. So you don't know Alkaline have to make the topic. You see me? Yeah. You see it because the artists not really drop much music like that. I think they drop Victory and yeah, it can go on. Yeah, it's a song where you don't know Free from Prison. You man the same man them go prison. They are road there now. You see me? You don't know corruption and case. Ray and bang. You don't know Victory and one bag of thing. But Pink Purge, we don't know it look like maybe 3 hype not around the song. Yeah man. Alkaline depend on mind. But listen what I say.
Mosquito release. The crux them say it's song. How we bossy there? Bossy just disappear off 5 years I heard so. Remember when Mosquito drop Bossy, here we crux them. It's Mosquito change the game of dancehall. We Bossy then now cannot be found. And you see only reason slip and slide that go last because the rhythm are going to become a juggling.
And that with the crux them, you know. But man I bash them. Keep on, yeah man, you must reach, you must get the hit song the one of them day, man. Just keep on motivate it. Isn't it? Yeah. Speak it into being. It's. Yeah. Make them go and do what them have to do. You understand? Yeah, but all we know, the song them now last. As them drop a song, them say it's. Then them drop a next one, them forget about that one there. The one they not hits no more. Next song. So every song when drop, all when the song preview, it's. But we now see it out there in the world that dominate. You understand?
That only reason. So you better thank God for that. Blinds, you tell me say you release 16 songs after your album. And just one song alone I play.
So Pink Purge. So wait there. You are talking about Alkaline album. When no girl them a play masterpiece. Other song out there get rotation. But the thing is that Gyal good so powerful. You understand? But since you talk about one, according to you, at least Alkaline get one song out of the album. About 15 to 16 album drop last year. And we not see no song out of none of them. We big like Gyal good song. But since you talk, your artist not drop an album, man. Pink Purge. Yeah, man. Your artist, your heart and soul. See tracklist, yeah? Tell me which one of them song, yeah? Hit. Out of the album. Tell me. You maybe not even know a song them by the name. So since at least Alkaline get one song, according to what you say, how much Vice Cartel get out of the Heart and Soul album? I that enough to go worry about, dog. Your artist not get no hit song out of film album Heart and Soul. So if Alkaline get one, it great. You understand? Because if 16 album release from 2025 to 2026 and we not see none of them will get the song the reaction and all of them look at something there worldwide thing like Alkaline. None of them will drop last year. None of the song album them is 16 album them maybe I think. Yeah. But 16 album drop last year. Seeing? And none of them not get a song like what Alkaline get. That's great. At least Alkaline get one. Where Uno get? Cartel drop album, nothing. No for none that you don't even know the song them. Right now, you listen to Alkaline album more than this album. I tell you no. You know whole I sang them for Alkaline album more than this. So every day you get up about one song out of Ray, but you not get nothing. Massacre drop EP no get nothing out of it. None of you no get no song out of no album them. So you should not talk about Alkaline get one out of it when you no get none. You understand? So, go and talk.
And I Gyal good. Where the other 15 song them there? Because on the time, me hear the other 15 song them up on the internet when me hear the Vendetta fans them around with me. I hear nowhere else.
So wait. So you hear the Vendetta people them around with it. Oh, you say you hear, you know. So that means people are play it. But how much the album when you're Heart and Soul, how much of the Gaza people in my ear I play them a song? The Heart and Soul album, how much of the Gaza people I play it? If you ask some of them not even know if no Vice Cartel drop album. Cause why? No hype not around the album. Me tell you already, you know, uno listen and meds Alkaline too much all the music more than Cartel, you know. Yeah. Cause I no so talk about when him Cartel, me see Cartel drop one song name Good. And I come out and say, yo, John, what kind of song this and that. Remember, say if you live in a glass house, don't throw a stone. Remember, say you don't have artists have an album forward up, you know. And that you don't have to worry about. You understand? That's all me have to tell you now.
Nowhere else at all. I me hear some that I say, our blinds are on dancehall. Yo, me telling you say, these delusional fans out here, I swear to God something wrong with them. One song alone I play out of the 16 song. No, my youth, if you pack up your career and dash it to a man. Blinds, you are mosquito for pack up on the career and want rubbish back.
So like how Cartel no get none out of the 11 song where him do for him album. Him fi pack it up too. Him fi pack it up and left his space. Because Alkaline get one. You understand? Massacre no get none out of EP when drop. Cartel no get none out of album. Alkaline alone get. So, if Alkaline fi pack it up and leave, that means a Cartel them fi just disappear then. And that you try say. You understand? Cause you worst thing you worry about one song, you know, fi album. But you not worry about the 11 song where Cartel drop in a Heart and Soul fi album. Me tell you already, you know, you undercover fans, you know. Some of you not a fan of Cartel, you know. You not fan of Alkaline, cause you meds Alkaline more than Cartel. Me I tell you already. When talk about in music, when critique in music, more than Mr. Cartel drop much the song, and you don't even talk about it. Me I tell you no. Yeah man, but we know say in your feelings. And you see the running dancehall thing, bro. Cause remember say a Panic when I run with it, and that is a collaboration with Shensia. You see what me I try to say? And this are the thing. Uno clarify dancehall as internet thing. And that clarify. So when you talk about run, seeing? Cause right now Alkaline have a artist song right now running a dancehall, the Gyal good. Worldwide too. You see me? Right now. Alkaline. No, Alkaline name you call now. Eh? Alkaline name you call in a massacre, you know? You see it? Vice Cartel drop a song, Victory. I mean, no hear nobody a talk about it. If say, yo, Ray. Cause him drop a Gyal good song before that. For sure, no. Phone running a dancehall internet thing, you know. Yeah, man. Cause with you, me see you forward out. And you talk about, yo, you know, see Cartel buy 3 house, this Rose Rice, see them. That's all you talk about. That's all you talk about with Vice Cartel, no. You know, nothing to do with dancehall, you know. Personal life, you know, talk about, you know. Somehow, you come like, say, yo, you don't want to go lay down with Cartel or something. Cause you come like, you know, watch him when he do his, more than in music, them. You understand? You know, watch when buy this, when buy see them. All of that. That's all you know, use and boast against the other rest of artists, them. And a music we are deal with. Yeah, man. So, anyway you take it, you can in your feelings, but you can't change reality, brother. Me I tell you that. Yeah, man. Cause in your feelings, through your ear, people must say alcohol run it. You in your feelings. Yeah, man.
And just make a rubbish shot, drive and come pick it up and dash it down and river and down. Because one release 16 song, one song alone I play. The next one, every song in drop in our last a month. Not even 1 month it last. And Mosquito, when you have to stop thief people, son? Really and truly. A long time now, you know, miss a wacky flow, you know? Every song you release, since you're the tyrant and Mr. Wacky flow, you know, Mosquito, stop.
So look at now, people. Gyal good and mash up your wedding them, you know. You understand? Cause look here. Gyal good. Good wife. You see me? Yeah, man. So listen what I go on, people. Yeah, man. Yeah, girl in my background. Yo, you can't tell wifey say she not good enough. You understand? You can't tell wifey that. You see, yo, you see what I go on? Wifey take off everything for dance so Gyal good. Watch out now, look how wifey go back it up and how's here now. You see, you can't stop at it song. Me I tell you that. Every wedding, every party, Gyal good I go mash it up. Wife you have to take off her the thing over her here. She have to free up herself. You can't tell wife say she no good again. You understand? So all me you know this tongue and talk about this a song and all of them little thing there. A worldwide song this. That me I tell you no. One thing say I chatting.
When you're good,
Yo, dog, yo, people. Me don't know. But, yo, Gyal good gone with the summer. Gone with the year, brother. Me I tell you. Brother, me tell you this. That's a song where I go forward if you go against this a song for the girls them. Me don't know, me don't know which song no can come with for beat this. Cause it turn up one energy in a girl them. Me I tell you girl them one dash out. The last time my brother say you him go Zimmy. The man say when his song go play, the battle girls them don't work. The man say bucket them throw away everything. The battle girls them a dash out. They no business but work again. That me I try to show you. You understand? Just look. Wait till Alkaline touch Donga, Guyana, and in the area. Yo, what you want to leave now? Just look what I go on. Yo, dog, we don't know. Yo, that song, yeah, may I tell you people, it gonna lead. It gonna lead. May I tell you that? It gonna lead people. You understand? And remember, people, Alkaline have a show. Seen? Arena. You see it? Our KZR or something like so. In Miami. Load up. You understand? Out. The vendetta people them. And remember, so we have one in a Xfinity Arena in a Philadelphia. Our next Crashout that. You don't know me the facts got to work. You understand? The people them are ready, them are line up. You see me? Me I tell you, see when Philly and New York and all of them places see what going in Miami. Trust me, you see that La song there? Just know say that's gonna be a series. I tell you, Guyana wait on that, you know. The Guyanese them a wait on that. You see me? I know nothing normal people. You see it? Right now, I afraid some of them afraid. I tell you that. It no matter what you do. That song yeah, it gone. That me I tell you. The Gyal good song, gone a road. You can't hold it. Right now, Gyal good song gone all at Dubai. Me I tell you how fast it a move. You see me? Right now, man them over Dubai, what you call, man them in the thing, what you call them? Arabian them. Right now, man, I invest in a Gyal good. Me I tell you, you gone a road in a, me I tell you say yo, you gone a one place where nobody not go yet. You see me? Yeah man, a tough song man. So it a go mash up place, me I tell you that. It a go mash up places. You see it. But people, I just one of them thing there. You can't stop your artists. You see me? They matter about 1 and 16 and this and that and way. You not talk about 1 and 16 and no song we bigger than this. You no drop all album and EP and you no get no song out of it. And they talk about 1 at least. Alkaline get 1 according to no. But we full no artists get at that you know if you worry about you know. We full no artists get. You understand? Can no found just run with some hotness and some hype, you know. You see me? Even the crooks them. They might try compare this and that. Then compare Bossy with Gyal Good, you know, go nowhere. Now they might come compare with Slip and Slide. And I use Alkaline Gyal Good song to promote the Slip and Slide. Brother, let me tell you this. When you get a song, yeah, people are going to love it because you don't know it have a cultural thing. Hill and Gully thing. Just go and wait till next year till when the JCDC competition and see if you can win, bro. Every song when Massacre drop on the talk about hits. When you say when I mash up on an artist career. Every time when you see a hit and when you go outside of Jamaica go perform these same songs, you know, get the hype up there. You see me? But you not go realize reality, you know. You see me? That's all I have to say. But people, you don't know one media facts pan here. Big up on yourself. That is it.